Rolls-Royce, to develop nuclear reactor on Moon, receives funding from UK Space Agency. The UK Space Agency has announced £2.9 million of new funding for the project, which will deliver an initial demonstration of a UK Lunar modular nuclear reactor. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited, a British luxury automobile maker, has announced that it has received funding from the UK Space Agency to develop a nuclear reactor for a moon base. Scientists and engineers at Rolls-Royce are working on the Micro-Reactor program to develop technology that will provide power needed for humans to live and work on the moon, the company said in an official statement released on March 17. All space missions depend on a power source to support systems for communications, life support, and science experiments. Nuclear power has the potential to dramatically increase the duration of future lunar missions and their scientific value. This comes after £249,000 study funded by the UK Space Agency in 2022. Minister of State at the Department of Science, Innovation and Technology, George Freeman, said, "Space exploration is the ultimate laboratory for so many of the transformational technologies we need on Earth, from materials to robotics, nutrition, clean tech, and much more." As we prepare to see humans return to the moon for the first time in more than 50 years, we are backing exciting research like this lunar modular reactor, with Rolls-Royce to pioneer new power sources for a lunar base, he said. Partnerships like this, between British industry, the UK Space Agency and government, are helping to create jobs across our £16 billion space tech sector and help ensure the UK continues to be a major force in frontier science, Freeman added. Nuclear space power is anticipated to create new skilled jobs across the UK. To support the burgeoning UK space economy, Rolls-Royce plan to have a reactor ready to send to the moon by 2029. Relatively small and lightweight compared to other power systems, a nuclear micro-reactor could enable continuous power regardless of location, available sunlight, and other environmental conditions. Rolls-Royce will be working alongside a variety of collaborators, including the University of Oxford, University of Bangor, University of Brighton, University of Sheffield's Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, AMRC, and Nuclear AMRC. The funding means Rolls-Royce can further strengthen its knowledge of these complex systems, with a focus on three key features of the micro-reactor: the fuel used to generate heat, the method of heat transfer, and technology to convert that heat into electricity. The Abby Clayton, Director of Future Programs for Rolls-Royce, said, "This funding will bring us further down the road in making the micro-reactor a reality, with the technology bringing immense benefits for both space and Earth. The technology will deliver the capability to support commercial and defense use cases, alongside providing a solution to decarbonize industry and provide clean, safe, and reliable energy." Dr. Paul Bate, Chief Executive of the UK Space Agency, said, "This innovative research by Rolls-Royce could lay the groundwork for powering continuous human presence on the moon, while enhancing the wider UK space sector, creating jobs, and generating further investment." Thanks for watching.